Looking for quick and delicious appetizers for any occasion? Well, you've landed in the right place. Today we're exploring the world of appetizers, those tantalizing tidbits that whet our appetite and set the tone for the meal to come. We'll be dishing up a smorgasbord of culinary delights, from the bite-sized morsels that are perfect for cocktail hour to the more substantial fare that can double as a light lunch or dinner. Stay tuned as we delve into these appetizers that are sure to impress your guests. Starting off our list, we have the delightful mini quiches. These bite-sized treats are a hit at any gathering, offering an exquisite blend of eggs, cheese, and your chosen fillings, all nestled within a flaky crust. Next up, we have the vibrant caprese skewers. These skewers are a fresh and light option, featuring a perfect trio of juicy cherry tomatoes, fresh basil leaves, and creamy mozzarella balls, all drizzled with a tangy balsamic reduction. Thirdly, we present the classic stuffed mushrooms. These little gems are packed with robust flavors, typically filled with a savory mixture of breadcrumbs, cheese, and herbs. Our fourth selection is the ever-popular shrimp cocktail. This dish is a timeless favorite, offering succulent shrimp paired with a zesty cocktail sauce. Last but not least in this segment, we have the creamy spinach and artichoke dip. This rich, cheesy dip, teeming with spinach and artichoke pieces, is an absolute crowd pleaser. But don't go away, we still have 5 more appetizers to share with you. Moving on, we have a delightful array of appetizers that will surely tantalize your taste buds. Our 6th appetizer is a classic with a twist: bacon-wrapped dates. This sweet and savory combination is packed with flavor and is a surefire hit with guests. Next up, we have deviled eggs. These are not your ordinary deviled eggs. They're a symphony of creamy yolk, tangy mustard, and a sprinkle of paprika for that extra kick. As we venture further, we come across a timeless Italian appetizer, bruschetta. It's a versatile dish featuring fresh tomatoes, basil, and garlic atop a crusty baguette slice. Our 9th appetizer is the ever-popular slider. These mini burgers are just the right size for a quick bite, and they're fully customizable to cater to all taste preferences. Finally, rounding off our top 10, we have mini meatballs, a hearty appetizer that's big on flavor. These appetizers are guaranteed to be crowd pleasers at any gathering. And there you have it, 10 quick and delicious appetizers for any occasion. From the tangy bruschetta to the creamy spinach and artichoke dip, these tasty bites are not only simple to whip up, they're sure to impress your guests. Now it's your turn to create culinary magic. Shop now and access exclusive deals. Find the link in the description. And don't forget to check out more appetizer ideas in our playlist. Be sure to subscribe and share our videos. Until next time, happy cooking.